What up guys, today we're doing Air Force One D Rose tribute. So I'm doing this pair for my boy Henry, and we're gonna do like the ultimate D Rose Chicago shoe. So let's get into it. So first we're going to unlace the shoes and we're going to use a nail polisher to deglaze the leather factory finish on the shoe. So then we're going to get straight to it and we're going to start getting our cutouts. We're going to start cutting those out and pasting and tracing those, and then we're going to use a quick cut to get some stencils to apply to the toe. So let's go do that. So we finally laid everything out, we sketched everything on, and we drew everything on. So now let's get into the painting. So we're going to paint all the stuff out first, and let's make sure to do at least 3 layers on everything. So let's get into it. So we finished all the coats and the layering that we were doing with the paint. So now let's take the stencils off one by one carefully. And if you have anything that the stencil kind of like didn't really cover and it got paint on, make sure you repaint in that color you need. So in this case, it's white. So I finished taking all the stencils out, I laced the shoes up, and I'm ready to show you guys the final product. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next shoe custom video.